Hello everyone, I welcome you all again to a hairstyling video tutorial where you are going to learn so many beautiful lovely hairstyling patterns. So are you excited? Roll your hair in this way, make a braid and then join it with the help of lovely beads. Now what are we going to do? Twist and roll your hair in this way by taking partitions from either side of the hair and keep on making these beautiful patterns, and in the end you will get a lovely result. And let's see what are we going to do. Make a braid out of this and then twist your hair in this way. Take the hairs out and make a beautiful lovely bun in this way. Proceeding further, make and twist your hair again in this way, roll it and make a beautiful lovely braid on either side of the hair and twist and roll it and secure with the help of clutches. Now by taking thin partitions on either side of the hair, make a braid like this and then secure with the help of a lovely decorative clutches. Twist your hair in this way, roll it and then let's see what lovely hairstyles are we going to create now. Twist and roll and keep on doing the same way we are doing in the video and then secure with the help of your lovely beads. Again by taking the partitions, twisting the hair back and forth and rolling it in this way, and by taking partitions, again rolling and then taking the hairs out and securing in the form of a bun, you will get a lovely result. Now again taking partitions like this, twist your hair from one side to another and then make a braid like this and secure with the help of your clutches. Proceeding further, tack a pin inside and then with stick in between the hair, fold it neatly and then make a braid like this and secure in the form in the clutches, and here's to the result. Now by doing middle partition in the hair, make a braid on one side of the hair and do the same thing on other side as well, and by putting stick in between, twist your hair and roll it in this form and you will be getting a beautiful lovely result. Isn't it looking super amazing? Again by taking and interlocking your hair in this way, twisting and rolling it and taking it to other side by one time, two times and the third time as well. You have to keep on making the patterns, and then by using a braid you have to interlock it with the help of your lovely decorative clutches. Now let's see making a beautiful lovely big bun on the top, and by securing your hair in this way you will get a lovely beautiful bouncy looking bun. Now proceeding further, twist and roll your hair in this way and with the extra hair left behind, make a braid and again twist it in this way from the middle and you will be getting a beautiful result. Now it's time for another interesting hairstyle. Twisting your hair in this way, taking it back and forth and making a lovely pleat like this and then securing with the help of clutches. Again, what are we going to make? Let's see. Twisting your hair in this way, rolling it and taking some hairs out so as to make it a little messy, so as to give your hair a beautiful look. And with the extra hair left behind, do the partition and make braids like this on either side and then secure with the help of your lovely beads. Isn't it looking super amazing and pretty? Now what are we going to make? Here's to the result. Make braids like this we are doing in the video and then secure with the help of your lovely beads. Again rolling and then taking the hairs out and securing in the form of a bun